take it back again. My very first trip to Europe in the year 2015 was an exciting moment for me. It was a tech conference. The flight was a cool one, but the weather was too harsh. Also, the language was for me because French was not the easy one for me. However, the food was another big concern because I did miss my African dishes. But I met professionals out there, and each and every one of them was an amazing personality, just like I'm meeting you all here on a beautiful platform of such a wonderful event, virtually. Thank you very much. My name is Stanley Igwe. I'm the Group Manager, ICT, IBOM Airlines. I'm here to take you through the revolution from legacy system to cutting-edge solution, aviation insurance, and digital transformation. Journey with me. In the beginning, the Wright brothers brought us the first airplane in the year 2000, in the year 1903. All through 1903, the year 1920s, to 1930s, 1940s to 1970. It was in 1976 the first commercial air flights commenced. And indeed, it was a big achievement. In the year 2019, a new airline initiated its first inaugural flight in Nigeria, and it's IBOM Air. I will take you through IBOM Air. But first, let's talk about the challenges of legacy in tech system in aviation. There are numerous issues that emanate by virtue of the legacy technology we had. One of them was data protection and storage compliance. This potentially leading to legal and reputational consequences on aviation companies. Again, the access control, document verification was a rising concern because unauthorized access and data manipulation became eminent. Outdated infrastructure was also impacting operational efficiency and innovation. Much more, the slower operation this could impact on each and every task that is given to both the worker and as well as the customers. But today, the cutting-edge technology solution has its own beautiful benefits that spans across stratas and different divers of function. But let me reserve it to these few. First, booking reservation system has been modified such that at your own convenience, with your mobile phone, desktop or laptop, you could make a booking for flight or even make reservations for hotels. Cutting-edge technology has given us real-time data analytics that could even guarantee an autopilot for a flight airborne. Today, biometric authentication and profiling has been made seamless because a cutting-edge technology is involved. Cybersecurity, cloud computing, these are the very essence of work tool and work life because they help our workflow seamless and protected. Internet of Things for aircraft health monitoring, it's a must because we will be guaranteed that the aircraft is airworthy. Virtual realities for training and simulation has become the order of the day. Nobody wants to take a flight and risk it in the course of training. But with this, training of our crew team have become an effortless achievement. Let me take you to what the realities of the future will be like. Although I've had some of the comments from some of my panelists, it's as if AI has already begun already today, and machine learning is the future. Nevertheless, we'll have to make emphasis to it because artificial intelligence is utilized for predictive maintenance and route optimization and passenger experience, enhancing, improving efficiency and safety. AI addresses issues related to data quality, algorithm transparency, and ethical use for regulatory compliance. AI-driven cybersecurity, blockchain for secure transaction, and biometrics authentication are to fortify aviation IT against evolving threats. This is a reality, both of today and that of tomorrow, because it will get more sophisticated in the future. We are planning the future now. The machine learning for autonomous aircraft, predictive decision making, and personalized passenger services is revolutionizing the industry. For sure, today we all know what the use of drones can do, both for man and even for work. So this is the future we are looking out for, and this is the future that is before it, that is coming ahead before us, by which we will not hesitate to embrace. Let me also take you through the story of Ibom Air. Ibom Air is the fastest growing airline in West Africa. Like I said, it began its operation and its inaugural flight in the year 2019 with three TRJ 900 Bombardier aircraft. Today, it boasts of 7 and has placed order for 10 brand new high-tech A220 aircraft with Airbus. It is a loud achievement in 5 years to achieve such. However, one of our vision is to be a world-class regional airline, and also on a mission to build a safe, service-focused, and profitable airline on the following values: excellence in operation and collaboration. This is what goes on between the ground staff, the cabin crew, and the cockpit crew. There is a harmonious understanding and mutual collaboration in their service and operations. Safety, with AI-driven predictive maintenance system on all aircraft, guaranteeing that all aircraft are airworthy before any passenger or any operation commences. Integrity in executing international best practice has attracted regulatory certificates, including IOSA, of which we are a member of. Proudly, we have the passion for real-time communication on service updates and on-time performance visibility. By such, our engagement online, social media, and even our followership has guaranteed that we are not left behind. The numbers can tell. Innovation drives the organization to its many awards and recognition and business visibility using enterprise resource planner and business intelligence. We have been able to navigate through the thick and thin of the business terrain today. Now, let's go to the reality where aviation and insurance play a part. Who needs aviation insurance? Aviation insurance is for those in the aviation industry across all functions and the airports. Aviation insurance covers what? Airplane, seaplane, flying boats, etc. against loss, damage under 4 general forms: fire, theft, windstorm, and accidental damages. Aviation insurance cost value could be what? The value is as agreed between the insurance company and the airline operator. As simple as that. But one short thing is that it's a necessity. Let me take you through the individual acts, individual expectations. First, For the significance of insurance in aviation, we cannot forget the reality of the risk factor, which are the damage to aircraft and third-party properties in the event of crashes, accidents and crashes, inclusive injury or death of passenger and even crew, liability for error and omission, cyber risk and data breaches, business interruption and financial losses. These are the major risk factors that can hamper the operations of an airline, no matter how big or small. We are aware of the realities of what happened when there was an internet glitch in America. It impacted a lot of operations, both hotel reservations, airline bookings, and airline takeoff and landing across many cities. Same also, let's talk about the types of aviation insurance we have here. The hull insurance is for aircraft damage or loss. Liability insurance for third-party damages or injury. Passenger liability insurance. Cyber insurance, cargo insurance, airport liability insurance. These are the basic types of aviation insurance that are required for an aviation, for an airline to carry out its function and operations. Okay, let's talk about also the importance of aviation insurance. What role do they play for this aviator? First, it protects against catastrophic loss. There are many different areas of losses that could hamper the operations of any airline. Mitigation of financial risks, support for business continuity and growth. I like that one. Enhancement of safety and security measures. Compliance with international regulation and standard. An airline industry is a highly regulated environment, and every other partner and stakeholder in the business also ought to be highly and well regulated. Finally, today's cutting-edge technology solution is the driving force of a modern aviation integrity and safety in operations. It's no brainer to say that AI is simplifying the optimization of quality and transparency within the network of activity in aviation sector. My panelists can justify that because each and every one of them have agreed, and I know many are looking out for this. Aviation industry depends on insurance majorly to manage risk, support business growth, and ensure security in accordance with international standard. For me, for you, and for every one of us, it's a win-win for modern aviation technology and aviation insurance for a secure today, for a secure tomorrow, today. Thank you.